rejoined Aditya Navaria. So, students, we will discuss regarding notice writing. Yes, in today's class, we will discuss regarding notice writing. Okay, and you are already familiar with notice writing. Okay, we have discussed there in the earlier classes. Also, in sixth, we have discussed regarding notice writing, and it has been discussed there in class 7th. Okay, so you know very well what is about notice writing. So first of all, to write the definition, children, notice writing. A notice is a very important form of written communication. It is a very important form of written communication, okay, which is used by individual and organizations. It is used by individuals, it is used by organizations to announce something that has happened or it is about to happen, that is going to happen, or that will happen. About that, it is there. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
So have
sir.
you written the definition,
Yes,
children?
sir.
All of you written the definition of notice writing? Okay. Yeah. Aishwarya, Arman, Aditya, Yashoda. First of all of you write the definition of notice, what it is. So, yeah, have you written it or not? Yes, yes, Arman, tell me, you have written it? Okay. Okay, so a notice is a very important form of written communication which is used by individuals and organizations to announce something that has happened or is about to happen. Okay, so it is a means of communication. Then in the earlier classes, yes children, you tell me in the earlier classes what kind of notices we have done. We have done regarding lost and found. Lost and found notice. For example, if you have lost something, yeah, lost and found, Arman. So if you have lost something, then regarding that we have discussed. Okay, then if something found, regarding that also information was communicated. Yeah, and regarding some important days, important functions. Okay, so the first important point, if we discuss regarding the important points that of notice writing, what is the first important point of notice writing? Yes, children, tell me. A notice, a notice is to be placed in a box. A notice is to be placed in a box. Do you know or not? Everyone is aware of it, that a notice is to be put there in a box. Okay. Then what is the second important thing, children? Yes, tell me, what is the second important thing about notice writing? Heading. But before heading, Shubham, what should be there? Before heading, what should be there? Before heading, the name of the institution or the organization. The name of the institution or the organization should be written in capital letters. Okay, children. The name of the institution, the name of the institution, okay, or the organization, the name of the institution or the organization should be written in the capital letters. If it is a school or any other institution, the name of that organization should be written. Is it clear to you, children? Is it clear to you? Yes. Then after this, what is written? After this, heading or the title of the notice is written. Okay, heading or the title is written. It is about what? Okay, if it is about lost and found, then you have to write that. If it is about a competition, then you have to write about that. Okay, so then what happen? Heading or the title of the notice is written. So at the top, what you have written? A notice is to be placed in a box. The name of the institution or the organization should be written in capital letters. After this, you have to write the word notice. After this, you have to write the word notice. After the name of the organization in capital letters, you have to write the word notice. Okay. Then the next point, heading or the title of the notice is written. What is the heading? For what it is? It is for lost or found, or it is for the information of some competition, like that it is to be written. It is clear to you, children? Then next, date is to be written. Okay, so left side, okay, so parallel to notice, there in the left side you can write date. Okay, and then what next is written, children? Then yeah, so what we have written at the top? First of all, we have to ensure, body is written. First of all, we have to ensure that it is to be placed there in a box. Then the name of the organization, institution is written. Then the word notice is written there in capital letters. Then title of the notice is written. Then parallel to the word notice, date could be written on the left side, and then here the information that is communicated. Okay. Then what information you have to communicate, that you have to write. The information to be communicated and to whom you have to communicate it. To whom you have to communicate that information. Okay, information to be communicated, to whom you are communicating the information, and what is the information, all that you have to write. Okay, what is the information, to whom it is to be communicated, and what are its specifications, all that you have to write. Okay, and then who is communicating the information. So at the end you have to write the designation of the person who is communicating the information. Okay, so information to be communicated, to whom the information is to be Okay, children, so all these points are clear to you or not? Tejas, Chinmay,
Clear, sir.
you have written all these points or not? Earlier also we have discussed about
Yes, sir.
notice writing in class 6th also we have discussed, in 7th also we have discussed, and in this class also we are discussing. The word limit, the word limit for notice writing is 50 words. What is the word limit? 50 words. Okay, so a notice is a very important form of written communication which is used by individuals or organizations to announce something that has happened or is about to happen. This is what the definition of a notice. Then what you have to keep in mind while writing a notice is to be placed in a box that you have to remember. Then the name of the institution or the organization issuing the notice, that is to be written. Then heading or the title of the notice is written. But before this, the word notice is to be written. The word notice is to be written. Then date is to be written. Information is to be communicated. What is the information you want to communicate? For example, you found a smartphone there in the ground. So what you will write at the top? What will be written? Name of the school. For example, we found it there in our school. So at the top, what will be written? Atomic Energy Central School number 2, Rawat Bhata. This will be written at the top. Okay, in capital letters. Then below it, what you have to write? You have to write the word notice. Okay, and below it, what you will write? A smartphone found. A smartphone found. Then parallel to it, you will write date. Then what will be written? Now the information is to be communicated, and the target group to whom the information is to be communicated, and who is communicating the information. So who is communicating the information? It could be school captain. Okay, so the information is to be communicated by the school captain. Now, what is the information regarding the smartphone, and who are the target group? Target group is students to whom the information is to be given to the students. Okay, so this is to inform all the students. This is to inform all the students that a smartphone has been found there in the school playground. A smartphone has been found in the school playground. Its color is, you write about the color, okay, and it is of this company. Yeah, black color, and it is of Samsung company. If anyone has lost it, please contact to. What is the place to be contacted? Please contact to the lost and found counter of the school. Okay. So likewise, it is to be written. Okay. So you have written this one or not? All of you have written.
Yes, sir.
All of you have written, children. What
Yes,
you have
sir.
written on the board? All of you have written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, children, write the question. Seema of Central Academy, Kota. You found a smart phone in your school's playground. Okay, playground. Write a notice informing the students about it in not more than 50 words. Okay, and the designation is also given. Okay, your designation is school captain. Okay, your designation is school captain. So we have discussed the question. You are Saurabh Seema of Central Academy, Kota. You found a smartphone in your school's playground. Write a notice informing the students about it in not more than 50 words. Your designation is school captain. Okay. So now at the top you have to write the name of the institution. So what is the name of the institution? Yeah, one more thing, children, one more thing, that if a notice comes there in exam, then whatever the name of the institution, whatever the name of the school that is mentioned in the question, that only you have to use. For example, here it is given Central Academy, Kota. So you will write the name of the institution as Central Academy, Kota, instead of writing Atomic Energy Central School number 2, Rawatbhata. So what you have to write? The name of the institution, the name of the organization that is given there in the question. The same you have to write. Is it clear to you, children? Many of the students, they commit mistake in doing this, and as a result they have to lose marks. Okay, so this you should not do, students. You should remember it well, that the same name of the institution is to be written as it is mentioned there in the question. And if the name of the institution is not mentioned, then also you should avoid using the name of your institution. Instead you can write the name of the other institution. So this you can write there in the capital letters. Okay, then notice the word you have to write there in capital letters. Parallel to it you can write a date. Then what title you have to write? The title you have to write is about the smartphone. Okay, so a smartphone found, a smartphone found, that you can write. Then your target group is students, and the information is about what? The information is about what, children? It is about the smartphone. Okay, so all this you have to write. Okay, so all of you have written the question. All of you have written the question, children.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rehan, Subham, Arman, all of you have written the question. Okay, so So at the top, what you have written, children? At the top, you have written the name of the institution. In the middle of the box, what you have written? The name of the institution. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. At the name, at the top, you have written the name of the institution, Central Academy, Kota. Then below it, what you have to write? Notice. Okay, in capital letters you have written notice. Okay. Then below it you can write found. Okay. Okay, to draw the attention, you can write this found. Here you can write the date. So it is 28th June. Okay, this you have written. So name of the institution, name of the issuing agency you have written, then notice you have written, present to it this side you have written, date, then you have written the title, that is found, or a smartphone found, that also you can write. Okay, all these informations you can underline. Okay, then children, what next you have to write? The information you have to communicate. So this is to inform all the students. This is to inform all the students that the smartphone has been found lying in the school's playground. Its color is black. Okay. Its color is black. If the company mark is Samsung, if anybody has lost it, please contact to the okay. If anybody has lost it, please contact to the undersigned. Then what name is there? Saurabh. Okay, so that name you have to write. And what is the designation of Saurabh? Yeah, the designation is school captain. Okay, and then signature also you can put. Okay, so likewise children, you have to write at the top what you have written. At the top you have written the name of the organization, agency issuing the notice, that you have written. Then below it what you have written? The word notice you have written. Then here what you have to written this side, you have mentioned date. No need to write date and then mention the date. Okay. Then here you have given the title. Then you have provided the information. You have selected your target group and whatever the information you are having, that you have provided. So this is to inform all the students that a smartphone has been found lying in the school's playground. Its color is black. The company mark is Samsung. If anybody has lost it, please contact to the under sign. Okay. And then Saurabh, school captain, that you have mentioned. Further, if you want to add, you can write for more information, contact to the undersigned. Okay. So this is regarding found. Okay. And if you have lost something in the similar manner, the information could be given. Okay. If any student has lost, yes, Sachin, you want to ask something? Sachin has raised his hand. Yes, Sachin. Okay. So, in the similar manner, it is regarding lost thing. Then you can write the information is to be communicated through the school captain only. Whoever has lost will go to the captain and mention. So, the information will come through the school captain. So, the same Central Academy, the name of the institution, date, notice, then lost. This is to inform all the students that a smartphone has been lost. Its color is this, company mark is this. If anyone has found it, please deposit at the lost and found counter. Okay. If anybody has found it, please deposit at the lost and found counter of our school. Okay. What the information will be? This is to inform all the students. 50 words, all these informations. Okay. This is to inform that you can write. What is the information that you can write? Okay, what are the particular specifications of that information in 1 or 2 lines? So that's all about. For example, this is to inform all the students that you have written. Then what is the information? That information you have written. Okay, then what is 1 or 2 points regarding the information that you have mentioned. Okay, and then whom to contact. So all these you have to write. Is it clear to you, children? Yeah. Then regarding the next, all of you have written it. All of you have written? Okay. Yes, students, will you be able to write notices related to lost and found? Yes, Neetu, Soheb, all of you. Okay, then what are the other things about which notices are written? What are the other things about which notices are written? Leave. Okay, this could be like this, that due to any, for example, due to heavy rain or something else, the school has been closed. So this is to inform all the students that tomorrow the school will remain closed due to heavy rain or flood-like situation or something else. Like that information could be given. Okay. Then regarding certain activities also. For example, any CCA found, lost, any kind of closure, that of the school or the organization. due to any unexpected event. Okay, then any other special activity. For example, it could be regarding any function going to be conducted. So it could be regarding investiture ceremony. It could be regarding annual day of the school. Okay, it could be regarding a literary function to be conducted there in the school. Okay, then it could be regarding demanding of articles or stories for the school magazine to be published, or it could be regarding an information related to the CCA. Okay, so it could be regarding that. For example, you write question number 2. You are Rahul. You are Rahul, Richa, the school captain of Holy Faith School, Jaipur, right? And notice informing the students about Hindi education to be conducted in your school. Okay, so the question is, you are Rahul Rita, the school captain of Holy Faith School, Jaipur. Write a notice informing the students about Hindi education to be conducted in your school. Okay, now the name of the organization is given or not? The name of the organization is given or not, students? It is given. Okay, yes, name of the organization is given. Then your name, who has to give this information, that person's name is given or not? That is given. If you are a girl, you can use your name as Rita. If you are a boy, you can use your name as Rahul. Then your designation is given or not? That is also given. What is your designation? School captain. Then what is the information you have to give? What is the information you have to impart? You have to impart information regarding what? You have to impart information. You have to impart information regarding Hindi allocation. So what you can write? This is to inform all the students that the next co-curricular activity to be conducted in our school is Hindi allocation. All of you are able to write this. This is to inform all the students. This is to inform all the students that the next co-curricular activity to be conducted in our school is Hindi allocation. Okay, this information you have given. Then what further information you should provide? What further information you should provide, children? You should provide information regarding the date of the activity. So this will be conducted on this date. For example, this will be conducted on 3rd July. Okay. The topic is safe COVID behavior. The topic is safe COVID behavior, and time limit for a single participant is 2 minutes. All these informations you have provided. Now finally what you will write? Those who are interested to take part in this activity are requested to give their name, to give their names to the undersigned, before this date. The date will be same as that of the activity, or some other date you will mention. Yes, the date of the activity will be same or other. You will mention a date before. Some days that of the activity. So 2 or 3 days. So if you have kept the date as 3rd July, that of the event, then the names you will get up to which date? You will get up to 30th June. So those who are interested can give their names up to 30th June. Is it clear to you, children? Will you be able to write or not? Will you be able to write the notice or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, students. All of you have understood this, that how the notice will be written. All of you will be able to write the notices. Okay. So this question is your homework. This is your homework, and I will ask you that immediately upload it. Someone is saying my voice is not coming. Yes. Is my voice not coming to you, students?
Yes,
Tejas, tell me. Okay. So it might be a problem at the student who is complaining at his end. Okay. So I hope you have understood. This should be written in everyone's notebook, and it should be written correctly. And in tomorrow's class, I may ask to anyone to upload the work, and then and there in the class I will check it. Is it clear to you, students? So it is to be done by everyone. All that we have discussed there in the class, that you have to do, and this particular question you have to do. Okay, what at the top you have to write? The name of the institution that is given, Holy Faith School Jaipur. Below it, notice in capital letters you have to write. Parallel to notice you have to write a date. Then title in the allocation that you have to write. Then this is to inform all the students that the next CCA is in the allocation. It will be conducted on 3rd July 2021. The topic is safe COVID behavior. Time limit for a participant is 2 minutes maximum. Those who want to participate in this activity can give their names to the undersigned before 30th June 2021. Okay, I hope all of you have understood it. Okay, so do it. Safe COVID behavior. Safe COVID behavior. Safe COVID behavior. Okay. The title is Safe COVID Behavior. Okay. So do it, children, there in your notebook. Okay. This class comes to an end here. Thank you.